Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue when your gamepad or controller is not detected in EA Sports FC26 on PC. Whether you're trying to play on Steam or the EA app, or you simply want to enjoy smooth gameplay with your controller, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click EA Sports FC26 and select Properties. On the left, click the Controller tab. Look for the option labeled Override for EA Sports FC26 and select Enable Steam Input. Launch the game and test your controller. If it still doesn't respond, return to the same menu and select Disable Steam Input instead, then try again. This simple toggle often fixes detection issues. Next, open Steam Settings and navigate to the Controller section. Enable or disable support depending on the type of controller you have. For Xbox controllers, try enabling Steam Input, or disable it if that didn't work. For PlayStation controllers, toggle PlayStation configuration support. The same logic applies for Switch or generic controllers. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver to improve compatibility for Xbox controllers. To make the process smoother, make sure your controller is properly connected and recognized by Windows beforehand. This helps prevent conflicts and saves time troubleshooting. After that, open Device Manager from the Start menu. Expand Human Interface Devices, locate your gamepad, right-click, and select Disable Device. Wait a few seconds, then right-click again and select Enable Device. This refreshes the connection and often solves detection problems. Finally, while still in Device Manager, right-click your gamepad and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then Let me pick from a list of available drivers, select your controller driver, and click Next. Once installed, restart your PC and test the controller in EA Sports FC26. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, your controller should now work perfectly on PC, whether you're using Steam or the EA app. Thanks for watching this Delph Stack tutorial video. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which solution worked best for you. Why not make someone else's gaming day a little easier too?